So we start off today's video with this gorgeous mini bob haircut. This is an absolutely stunning bob hairstyle. Very popular trend right now. It does feature an undercut in the back area as well. Beautiful, so chic and polished. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, options, and styles that you can play around with this season. So if you've been looking for a brand new way to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who does have a bob haircut. Looks like she also has bottleneck bangs, and she decided to cut her hair into more of a chic mini bob style. Kind of similar to the mini bob that we saw at the start of the video. We're seeing a lot of variations to this popular hair trend, and it is a great way to wear your hair in a bob. Next up, we have a haircut transformation. So she started off with long hair. She decided to spice it up with some bold reddish color, copper tone mix, and then also cut the hair into a bob. Loving this mommy makeover. And then we have a pixie refresh. Short and sweet, bangs were added in the front. And then we have someone else going copper, so she wants more of like an orange copper. Some layers added, the very popular look of curtain bangs. Oh, I absolutely love this transformation. Orange copper is definitely one of my favorite trends this season. So next up, we have a long to short transformation. The stylist is known for doing these amazing haircuts. So he's taking the look really short with the pixie style. Oh, very nice. Traditional Peter Pan style pixie. Swoop bangs in the front. This is absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, wow, loving this bob haircut. The color is just unreal. So beautiful. And then we once again see someone with hair just past the shoulders. Looks like she got a color refresh with some layers and the curtain bang trend. And then we see someone else with shoulder length hair. So the stylist is cutting away, shaping up the strands. I really like the choppiness that this cut has so far. So after cutting, she blows the hair out. She got a beautiful mini bob haircut. Wow, so pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.